Since the inception of the program on 1st of October last year, 660,000 claims totaling 14.6 billion have been lodged on the portal, broken down as 8.5 billion for the private and the faith-based facilities and 4.8 billion for the public health facilities.
First and foremost, let me affirm to Kenyans, we are not saying we are separating civil servants and the rest. But there was already an existing scheme that was for civil servants. And what is being done is transition of the same. So it is just an additional a few more months to ensure that there's smooth transition into SHA. Otherwise, everybody, every Kenyan is going to be in SHA. Secondly, on the issue of commodities, I think we need to go a bit granular and pick on specifics so that we don't generalize that everywhere there are no drugs. KEMSA is here. They will be able to give us tabulation of where the counties that have already ordered the drugs, and probably if you want, we go deeper into that. Next week, KEMSA can come with more tabulation on the counties that have already ordered drugs, and then you can ask us, you can give us the specific hospitals or the specific health facilities that are so drained in terms of drugs.